Nieves from grade 6 Speech Blend, and today let's discuss the oldest method of food preservation. Ever wondered how people kept their foods fresh before fridges? We're diving into one of the oldest and coolest methods, salting. That's right, plain old table salt. We're going to put it into the test on an apple slice to see if it prevents it from spoiling. It's an easy experiment you can try at your own home. For this experiment, we're going to need 2 apple slices, 2 small balls, and some salt. This apple slice is going to be our control. No salt, just leave it as is. Now for our star. We are going to completely cover this with salt. While we wait, let's talk science. Salting works because of osmosis. Think of the apple cells as tiny water balloons. Salt is like a water magnet. It pulls out water from the apple cells and balances things out. Why does this matter to us? Because tiny microorganisms like bacteria and mold needs water to survive. If we take up their water supply, bacteria won't survive, and our food will stay fresh. Look at the screen. This is what our results will look like. Alright, 48 hours later, and look at the differences. The results are clear. The control apple is brown and soft, but our salted apple, it's shriveled. So the experiment proves it. Salt is an amazing food preserver. It uses osmosis to draw water out and stops those spoiling bacteria in their tracks. Science rocks!